the Palazzo Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. So let's do a walking tour and let's check out what's going on. Use the automatic doors. So on the second floor are the Grand Canal shops. So we are going down to the casino level. So there's a Mediterranean street food. I haven't seen this before, so this is brand new. All right. So this is Mediterranean street food, Hassalon, and we are entering the casino floor of the Palazzo. Palazzo. All right. So, you know what? Let's just go straight then. Ah, okay. So let's go right here. So they have the Mott 32. Looks like a restaurant and a bar. So it's right there. So let's go around here. So we have the Grand Lux Cafe. Okay. Ah, okay, let's see. Ah, okay. So looks like this is the entrance to the Grand Lux Cafe. And they have the bakery over here and pickup. All right. Oh, and we have the Palazzo Theater. So let's see what's going on. Palazzo. Okay, so this is where Shin Lim is performing. So box office close. And okay, Chicago. So they have the schedule on the top right there. And so, yep. So this is the Palazzo Theater. And their main attraction right now is Shin Lim. Right here. Shin Lim. Okay. And also, this is his poster. Okay. So, okay, let's go here. Oh, okay, so let me go here. So you could see that there are restaurants on the side. But you already know that in the middle are the slots and the table games and the casino. Yeah, so this is the entrance to Rosina. Oh, and these are the elevators to the hotel rooms. Okay, let's go around here. And to the left is the high limit slots. Oh, right here are the high limit slots. And they also have a bar in there. And then they have a cashier too. And so this is where their cashier is. Then we have security, casino credit. Okay. And oh, okay, so these are the Venetian rewards right here, Venetian rewards. And this is going to the Venetian. So, so it's the year of the snake. So this is the display here at the Palazzo. Right here. Okay. So this display of the dragon, they have this throughout the years. Looks like they haven't changed this display. And then they have the love sign that they haven't changed too. Let's look around here. So this Illy Cafe is still here. So let's just go around. Okay, so looks like this is brand new, Donatic. Looks like donuts. So I haven't seen this, so this is brand new. Looks like they're just open on breakfast time and brunch time. Okay, so this is the love sign. So this is the way to the Venetian. So let's go around here. We're still doing the Palazzo Hotel and Casino walking tour, and then this is the Amor Cafe. Amor Cafe. Oh, okay. So I remember this area right here, wherein they have displays of Chinese New Year. Yeah, they have this. And then they have the love sign and the waterfall. So let's go around so I could give you a full view. And the Cartier. So there are walkways. If you want to avoid the crowds, you could go around because the crowds are in the middle. So you could go around here. Escalators going up and down. This is going down, but the other side is going up to the Venetian. And so this is see, that is the full view of love and the waterfall. So let's go around here to give you a view right here. All right. So there are seating area just to relax here at the Palazzo. And you could see that we are entering again the casino area of Palazzo. All right. So let's go right here. We have the Hong Kong Cafe. Oh, looks like a high limit slots too. Again, high limit slots. Okay. So that's a spectacular demo. Uh, and then, okay. So now we go here. So to the left, this is the hotel lobby. So if you're staying here at the Palazzo, this is where you would go and check in. And I think this is Breitling. Breitling. And you could see the display right there. And this is the check-in right here. This is the hotel lobby. Oh, that's nice. So this is the Palazzo. And then we have the Wakuda. It's like a restaurant, looks like a Japanese restaurant. Yeah, looks like a Japanese restaurant. So it looks like it's sushi cocktails. And then we have the Lavo Italian restaurant. All right, and we have the display here. Yep. Okay. So this has been here for a while, so they haven't changed this display. So and so looks like these are the entrance and exit. And so we're going back here. Okay. So they have wide open spaces. And you can see how beautiful is the design and displays. And this is the Electra. It's like an Electra bar. Yeah. Electra. And then you can see, oh, that's the bar right there. Right there. Okay, so it looks like okay, so let me go in the middle and so let me cross the casino in the middle. So from the hotel lobby, which is this way, so you just go back here, and yep, you can see the table games are on the right, and this is the Electra bar. Yeah. Okay, and then you can see that chandelier. That chandelier is nice. Yeah, a lot of players in the table games. Oh, and then that is Bar Luca. Let's look at Bar Luca. Bar Luca. All right. You can see the high limit and everything. All right, and those are the parking garage and for the hotel rooms. Okay, so let's go around here. All right, so that's a nice roulette right there. So a lot of slots. And there are walkways right here. Oh yeah, that's the Palazzo Theater. And then this is mod number 32. And then we go here. As long as you follow walkways, you will not get lost in a Las Vegas casino. Okay, so that's the main entrance of mod 32. And okay, and so just follow this walkway right here. And this is going back to the Las Vegas, so that is Hasalon, Las Vegas Strip. So this is the Mediterranean street food. So there is an escalator, but also there is stairs, so you can take the stairs. And all right. Okay. So it says here the sphere at the Venetian. So like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to be part of the Las Vegas Walking Tour Club. Watch the video next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.